Okay, so I'm already loaded, got all my stuff. Gonna come up in here and show y'all what I got going on.
Boss man, you can't bend those hinges back.
I could try to hit them. I don't know if I can bend them though.
No, you're fine, you're fine.
You alright? I mean, I could try to. So this is basically what I got going on right here. It looks like somebody stacked wheel on top of wheel. It's a Alright, so I already cleaned the wheels off. I just gotta clean those off, take them off.
Just trying to keep you aware of what's going on and why we've been here for so long.
Tell them it's not my fault. So what's happening is it's keeping this whole piece from coming down because it's lodged up in there right there.
So yeah, I just want to keep you aware of what's going on, man.
Right up in there.
Be here for, looks like maybe a little bit longer.
Okay, so this thing right here was not coming off for the simple fact that it was lodged up in there with one of the bolts.
What is that, like overtime on overtime?
The bolt was not coming out, so I had to blow the hole through there and blow the hole out, the bolt out of there. So right now they're going to go. Alright, so I end up blowing the hole and bolting that up out of there. We just put that one under right now. We got the crane right here. This is the crane. Test this thing out real quick. Jordan. We saw that when you opened.